Hey everyone, welcome back to our AI review YouTube channel. Today I'm very excited to share my personal experience with an incredible tool that has truly made an impact on my content creation journey. I'm talking about Castmagic AI. In this video I'll walk you through this AI tool step by step, and after that I bet you will give it a try. But before we start, we got a fantastic offer just for you. Right down there in the video description, you'll spot a link that opens the door to a free trial of Castmagic, ready for your exploration. From my personal experience, it's absolutely worth it. Ready now? Let's begin. I will start by saying Castmagic AI has been a game changer for me. As a content creator, I always had trouble with the time-consuming processes of transcribing, editing, and creating engaging content for my audio recordings. But then, right out of nowhere, I discovered Castmagic AI, and it felt like I finally found my savior. So, the journey begins with a simple step, which is, of course, signing up. I visited Castmagic AI website, and trust me, the sign-up process was a breeze. You can easily do it with your Gmail account and you're ready to go. Now, let's put Castmagic AI to the test. I uploaded an audio file from one of my recent podcasts. The upload process was lightning fast. Thank God for that. Now, here comes the magical part. Castmagic AI got to work instantly. It listened to my audio and worked its magic. Within seconds, I had a fully accurate transcript at my fingertips. So no more endless hours spent on manual transcriptions. But that's not all. Castmagic AI allows you to edit and customize your content easily. You can fine-tune the transcript, add or remove sections, and make it truly yours. It's like having a personal content editor. That's nice, right? Now let's talk about social media. This AI can generate engaging social media content from your audio. It automatically identifies the most attention-grabbing quotes and creates shareable snippets. It's a game changer for boosting your online presence. It also simplifies content navigation with its time-stamping feature. Listeners can easily jump to specific sections of your content, enhancing the user experience. And it generates show notes that provide a quick overview of your content. But this magical tool doesn't stop at content creation. It also provides in-depth analytics, giving you valuable insights into your audience preferences. Now, why I'm giving 2 thumbs up to Castmagic, you ask? Well, first, it's because it has an incredible impact on your content game. Second, this seriously cuts down the time and effort you normally spend on content creation, meaning more room for your creative juices to flow, leading to a serious productivity boost. And here's the cool part. While AI does its magic, it lets you put that personal touch. You can manually review and edit to ensure everything's on point, blending automation and that human touch beautifully. High-quality content not only draws in new customers, but keeps your current ones coming back for more. And that, my friends, equals more sales and brand loyalty. It's an absolute win-win situation. Now, let me guide you through the simple process of signing up and using Castmagic AI. Well, you will start by visiting Castmagic AI website, of course. You will find a range of plans to choose from, starting at just $39 a month. You're signing up and you're afraid because it asks for your credit card details. Don't worry, the trial is absolutely risk-free and you can cancel it after 7 days without any expenses. Fill in your details and you're good to go. Upload your audio file and Castmagic AI will work its magic and generate a transcript for you. You can edit and customize, making your content exactly how you want it. You can create social media content from your transcript. It's a fantastic way to expand your online presence. You can explore analytics to gain insights into your audience preferences. Use this data to optimize your content for further growth. Honestly, my experience with Castmagic AI has been nothing but incredible. It saved me hours of manual work, enhanced the quality of my content, and boosted my productivity. So why wait? Click the link below for a free trial to start your journey of efficient and inspiring content creation. I recommend it to anyone looking to take their content creation game to the next level. I can't wait to see how Castmagic AI transforms your content creation process.